JD Classics always have a number of Ferrari Daytonas for sale or in preparation, and this delightful example, returned to its original colour of Argento, recently has found a new home after some fettling by JD Classics. Chassis number 13701 was originally delivered new to the dry state of Nevada in the US. The car was sold to an Italian collector who cherished the car for many years before JD Classics purchased the car in June 2013. The car was in remarkably original condition, with a documented mileage of just 30,238 and just 2 owners from new. JD Classics completed a full bare metal repaint in the colour of Argento, with the original Nero interior being retained. This car is typical of the desirable, low-mileage original Daytonas that we routinely hold in stock and prepare to superb condition. Contact us if you're buying or selling one of these V12 GT Ferrari, a model which we feel is priced very favourably to its more illustrious predecessors in today's market.